Hey guys, Mike, Canoe backpacker, out here on Alouette Lake. It's September 11th. Oh, special day. Yeah. Anyways, I'm out here with I'm out here with Chris, and we're gonna canoe towards the end of Alouette Lake. I think we're gonna camp at the Narrows. It's a nice little spot. And, this is Chris's first time. It's not your first time canoeing, right? You've done that before?
Yeah, years ago.
Okay.
No expert.
Yeah. But he's never done a canoeing camping overnight trip. He's camped, obviously, not a rookie to that, but a little bit of a rookie to canoe tripping. So he asked me at work a few weeks ago what's involved, and I said, well, first thing you have to do is ask Mike to take you. So, long story short, here we are, and there's a motorboat up there that just happens to be piloted by our former boss, which is quite funny running into him at the dock. So, we're going to get into this overloaded canoe and head on up the lake. Okay, so we're here at our lunch stop. We just headed to the Narrows down there. That's where the lake, it looks like the lake ends, but it doesn't. It just gets really skinny. So we're about halfway, and it's 12:15, so looks like we got lots of time to take a nice leisurely lunch.
Now this is a leader.
Up in a bit. Yeah. It's not like we're going to run out of water.
How are we going to get more water?
So we finished lunch, and I took a quick swim. Chris is going to wait till later.
Keep the shorts on.
Yeah, swimming in jeans, not a good idea. For any of my scouts watching this, I didn't teach Chris about not wearing jeans to camp. Yeah, he's new. We'll get there, and it's not like it's raining in winter. So. Yeah, it's the guardian of the lake, the grumpy stump. All right, we have arrived at camp. We got to the normal spot where I was planning to go, and there was some really weird people, I guess. Some people, no boat. Don't know how they got there or how they're going to get home. But anyways, we decided to go to a different spot, so we moved over here. And this is the view from our quiet little bay. I think it's not too bad. So we're gonna go find some hammock trees, get the hammock set up, and Chris is gonna get to try out a hammock this first time. Backpacking in Crocs, not a good plan. So we can put our propane fire right there. We can eat at the table. And there's, oh, I didn't even see those trees earlier. That's an ideal little spot. Put a hammock there. There's in here. We got a good set. And there's another good set over there. So. I don't know. I'll play with the straps and the tarps and see what's the right spacing. Okay, so we're all set up. We've got Chris over here. Got Chris in here in the Grand Trunk hammock. And I'm over here in the brand new, you can't see from here, that's just the old tarp. Under here we have the brand new Little Shop of Hammocks Warrior XL. Little Shop of Hammocks. Made in Canada, Warrior XL. Now we're going to take a little walk up here and take a look at the river. It's a really cool river up here. If I was thinking, I would have set my hammock up in here, right next to this. Beautiful little pool, ice cold water. So I think we're gonna have our dinner up here. It's a little bit away from camp, and we can scoop our water right out of there, filter it up. So, yeah, next time. There's lots of trees in here. Lots of places to hang a hammock up here. So next trip, this is where I'll be. It's getting windy. Yeah, that might be, that be a heron or a, yeah, I don't know, some kind of fishing bird. Yeah. I don't know. Actually we both have Mountain House chicken and rice. People have seen me eat that many a time in many videos, but for Chris, this is a first, so let's see what he thinks of it. Yeah, I just cut a corner if you can, and then try to take that aluminum bag out. And the trick with this is to measure your water and just boil what you need. And then you don't have to measure it when it's hot. Propane and butane.
Propane and butane?
Yep. Okay, your food should be ready. Mountain House, chicken and rice. Yeah. Yeah, not soupy like some of them. All right. One thumb up or two thumbs up? I know you're holding the back with the other thumb, but just the one? Okay, it's a one thumbs up.
Not like Mom eats.
Oh, not like Mom makes. Well, bring Mom out here next time. Okay. Well, we're gonna eat our dinner, and then I think we might, if this wind isn't too much, we might play with Chris's drone after this.
Chinese screwdriver.
I don't have one. Well, we were going to film with the drone, but it is not cooperating. Chris is 6 feet tall. Over 6 feet tall. It's a big stump. Wow, we found another campsite right here with a picnic table and a little shelf to cook on. I don't think there's an outhouse here. But good. Fire pit. You wouldn't want to put your tent there on that low spot, unless you knew it was going to be dry. Yeah, you might get away there. Go through there, or maybe I guess you could go back in. Yeah, it's getting dark. Again, if you got a hammock, spider web. If you got a hammock, no biggie, lots of spots.
Drop of water on my phone.
Oh, maybe. No, it's mouse pee. No. So we did a little bit of night photography. Well, I'll throw some of my pictures in here. Good morning, day 2. We are going to cook up some bannock. I've got the bannock mix in here. And a little bit of water. There's no measured amount of water, it's just add a little bit as you go. So you get a dough. I don't have enough dough today. It's too sticky. So, bannock, honey, oatmeal. And wind coming right up the lake at us. Great way to start day 2. So Chris, tell the hammock people that watch my channel, how was the hammock experience?
It was okay. I'm a stomach sleeper, so
Mm.
it wasn't
Okay.
ideal, but it worked.
Yeah. See, I'm a side sleeper, so the way it kind of cradles around and I get a little bit on my side, I adapt it pretty quickly. But if you're a stomach sleeper, you need a bridge hammock because spreader bar is at the end and it's flat. It allows you to sleep on the front.